Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So, what do we have specifically here? 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful as well, guys. We're going to open the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open the hood, in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan, you have a fuse box. Super simple to access. Once you open it, you have that fuse box. You will face it that way, and you have the relays right here, fuses, okay. And before we explain which fuse you need to check, let us tell you why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The fuse, guys, that you will need to check specifically for the power steering control module. You can see that row of fuses right here, okay. By the way, you have different kinds of fuses and relays, and those could be expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. So check it out for your convenience. Right here, guys, this is, you can see right here, that row of fuses. You will need to check the first 5M fuse. That's for the power steering control module. It's a multi-purpose fuse that is for multiple things, but one of those is the power steering control module.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.